Hello guys, in today's video I am going to show you my most favorite home gadgets. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So guys, our first product is this mini electric packet sealer. Guys, has it ever happened to you that you had a packet of food or snacks but you were not able to finish it completely, and now you are thinking that if I keep it like this then it will get moisture in it? But now you do not need to worry about it, because now we have this packet sealer machine, with the help of which you can seal any food packet. And not only this, you can also cut the packet with its help. So guys, let's move to our second product, which is this washing machine lint remover. It removes hair, lint and other things from cloths, and to use it we just need to put it with cloths in washing machine and it will gather all the lint from cloths and it is reusable. So guys, let's move to our third product, which is this magnifying nail clipper. Now cutting nails without cutting skin is become easier by using this magnifying nail clipper, because it also has a magnifying glass with which we can see our nails very clearly, which reduces the chances of cutting the skin around our nails. So guys, let's move to our fourth product, which is this button plier tool kit. By using this kit, from now we don't need to go to tailor, because by using this button plier tool kit we can easily attach buttons anywhere, like in our pants, caps, shirts, etc. And with this we get so many free buttons. So guys, let's move to our fifth product, which is this self-squeezing mop, by which we can easily clean floor. And cleaning the floor without touching the mop, we can squeeze this mop's water easily, and this mop is 3. So guys, let's move to our sixth product, which is this corner guard, which is must-have product to protect your child from serious injury. Just place these corner guard on the corners of table, chair, bed, etc. and now you will not have to worry about your children getting hurt by the corners because of these corner guards. So guys, let's move to our seventh product, which is this dental floss toothpick. With this, you can easily remove the floss from your teeth without causing any harm to your jaws, and we can use this dental floss toothpick from both the sides and it is reusable, and in one pack we get 50 toothpicks. So guys, let's move to our eighth product, which is this self-adhesive hooks. Guys, now we don't need to make a hole to apply the hooks on the wall. Just take these self-adhesive hooks which we just have to stick on the wall, and it sticks very tightly, and we can apply it from the kitchen to the bathroom and even behind the door, and we get a very long tape type thing which we can adjust as per our requirement, or we can easily fold it wherever the wall bends and apply it there. And not only that, we can cut it and apply it in any way we want. So guys, let's move to our ninth product, which is this dishwashing gloves. And guys, these gloves are must-have product, because now our hands will not come in direct contact with soap, due to which our hands will not become dry, and there will also not be the problem of feeling cold while washing utensils with cold water in winters, because by wearing these gloves we will not come in direct contact with water, and with these gloves we can not only wash utensils but we can also clean other places. So guys, if you like my today's video, give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get my latest videos notification. Till then, take care, bye bye.